guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm. Welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. This is a purse that I crocheted, and I love crocheting. So it's one of my hobbies. I crochet every day of my life. I just find a time during the day that I can sneak away and crochet. But if you want to look at this pattern closely, and you can find these stitches too on my site, if you can just type in Popple Backyard Farm and look them up. But this is a zigzag, but it's done by the double crochet, and you can just look up this stitch. And this is, I'm going to tell you briefly how to make this because it's so easy. You just crochet, or you count 23, because it would include the triangle and the hole, and then 21 because you won't have an end. And then you go, this is actually, I flipped it over, but what you're actually doing is you're going up 10. When you get to the top stitch, you do 3. You go down 10. You skip 2. Then you go up 10. You do 3 in that hole there, which is the 11th, and down. And that's the entire pattern. And then you just make 2 pieces because you want this to be on the bottom. You just sew them together with a crochet hook or a regular thread. And if you want this type of handle, you could just go to a craft store and pick it up. And there you go, a cute little bag. And then of course I just, may not look the best, but I just kind of wound the thread around with a needle and I sewed it. So isn't it cute? Isn't it adorable? You can look at some more projects on Instagram at Popple Backyard Farm Official. But I hope you enjoy this for day 3 of Vlogmas and continue to watch our videos. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.